Welcome to Digilock's Networked Management, the next-generation Digilock system, powered by Digilink and 6G SmartLock wireless operation. Networked Management is a robust solution capable of even the largest of enterprise-level applications, where remote management of locks, users, and administrative tasks is necessary. Whether it's down the hall or across the world, Digilock's 6G systems put the control you need in your hands, wherever you need it. Using Digilock's revolutionary new Digilink software, you can manage your entire network of smart locks. Add, modify, or remove users and permissions. Perform remote lock or unlock functions. Perform an audit trail or run reports for any lock on the system. Healthcare facilities, manufacturing centers, hotels, and large-scale offices will all benefit from increased efficiency. Digilock Networked Management simplifies the task of maintaining your facility's secured storage. Whichever management functionality you choose, you can rest assured that Digilock's 6G network managed smart locks keep your facility, your users, and their important items safe and sound.